Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll get inside the company gardens. We'll show you the company gardens, Cape Town. So with no wasting your time, and let's go. Yeah, this is the main entrance of company gardens.
Fruit, brother, all right?
There we go.
Lovely, man. All yummy, nice for the tummy, good for the body. Healthy stuff. Bananas, apple, peaches, grapes, pineapple, apples, mangoes, green peppers, onions, green peppers, lemon.
It's a very nice, beautiful place to come taking your break, come refreshing your mind when everything is not going okay. So you need time to rest or to refresh yourself. You come in Cape Town Garden Company, you refresh your mind. I recommend you come and visit the company gardens. You want also doing some marriage ceremonies or some party, you come down here, you relax. Yeah. As the work is going on, Cape Town Gardens. All of these trees you see here, there is an old tree, very old tree. And then I'll show you the oldest tree in the company gardens, Cape Town. The oldest one, I'll show you. This is a rubber tree. A rubber tree, the people know rubber tree. They know what is rubber trees. All of the tires and the stuff that rubber, so is coming from that tree. So we'll show you exactly around the Cape Town company gardens. You see the people sitting down, relaxing, and some students as well, studying, and yeah. You can see everyone taking their breaks. Oh, tea times. So they come in Company Gardens, they come to relax. It's in Company Gardens. There's also nice, beautiful restaurant over there. So as you can see, over there, there's a older trees on this Company Gardens. So I'll go inside there. I'll show you. There's the older trees in the Company Gardens. Here we go. There's tree here. It's an older tree in pear trees. The older tree in Company Gardens. There's a tree. It's an older tree on this Company Gardens. It's a saffron pear tree. So we continue. As you can see, how they supporting with iron. They want to keep these trees historically. The people who come, so they can learn about these trees. It's the oldest trees on this Company Gardens since the time of Van Riebeeck. So yeah, as you can see, the people sitting around, the couple, the children playing around, and yeah, this is the Company Gardens, Cape Town. Very nice place to be. Very. Calm down. You can check bird as well. There's someone feeding birds, planting plant. There's a nice place, attraction for children as well. Come play around here. So if you bring your children here, they'll be happy. And then there's the fancy, nice, beautiful restaurant in the Company Gardens. If you want to come around here, come, bring your friend, invite your friend, come for party, making a bookings, you enjoy. So Yep. It's a nice place to relax. Actually, it's beautiful. Like a paradise here on earth. You can enjoy the fountain. It's a peaceful place. Oh yeah. I love it. With a beautiful view of Table Mountain. It's it's nice. There we go. If you're going straight down there, there's the main entrance where we're coming from, and then the right hand side, it's in South African Parliament. And yeah, the statue here is a young Christian month, so that they call Yas month. So this the company gardens in Cape Town, South Africa. It's over there. It's a Africans Museum. Yeah. So we'll have time. We'll go to Africans Museum inside. So for today, I'm just showing you Cape Town Garden Company in Cape Town, South Africa. Where's your children? They can have attraction. Even not only children, even the old people as well. So yeah. So for today, we're done for today. We'll see you to the next video. Thank you. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel and ring the bell for a notification and leave your comment down below. We'll be glad. Okay, have a wonderful, blessed year. Bye.